Now that we have access to the data, we can analyze it by creating charts, performing aggregations, and merging it with other datasets. Once the initial analysis is complete, we can switch to our next platform, the CWIQ bench, which provides additional computing capacity. You can access it through the Try Data link on the left pane. To get started, log into QuickBench by entering your credentials to access the platform, same as the one you used in logging into the data store. Next, we'll spawn a master node to begin working with your datasets. When selecting a machine, we recommend using a machine that has at least 32 gigabytes of RAM for a smoother experience. For example, you can choose machine types like R5N4X large or R5N8X large. Next, choose a subnetwork from the options available. You can select any subnetwork as per your setup. Additionally, keep your budget in mind when deciding between on-demand and spot instances. Spot instances are more cost-effective but might not always be available. Finally, click the Launch button to initialize the master node. Now, once the master node is up and running, select your preferred web UI. The machines have standard data science applications such as VS Code, RStudio, and JupyterLab. For this demo, we'll use JupyterLab. After clicking JupyterLab, the system might take some time to load, but once the progress bar is complete, we can see our spawned machine on our dashboard. Now select the button on the right to access our available UIs, then select to open the JupyterLab web UI. Upon opening JupyterLab, you'll find pre-installed notebooks in your home directory. These notebooks are ready to use and provide a great starting point for your analysis. Just a quick reminder about memory management. Be mindful of the specifications of the machine you've spawned, particularly its memory. Running multiple notebooks simultaneously might lead to performance issues. So, shut down any unused notebooks to free up memory and ensure smooth operations. This is especially important when working with larger datasets or performing resource-intensive tasks.